Hello and welcome. So let's get right into it. So it says which quadratic function when graphed will have x-intercepts at 8, 0 and negative 3, 0. Well, let's look at what we're given. We're given a bunch of different equations here, 5 of them to be precise, and we'll notice that for all 5 of them, they're in what we call factored form. You'll notice that when you factor something, you'll end up with 2 sets of parentheses. You literally have 2 sets of parentheses right here. Okay, these are already factored. And literally, what is your last step to factoring? Right? Set your factors equal to 0, find the solution to x. Well, this is mean your x is 0. Sorry, your x is 8 for this first one. X is negative 3 for the next. Well, let's just take it in pieces. If we set x minus 8 equal to 0, add the 8 to both sides, 8 is a solution. So right then and there, that's looking promising. Okay, now let's set the next parenthesis 0. If we set 2x plus 6 equal to 0, you would have to subtract the 6 and divide by 2. If we do that, we get negative 3, which you'll notice matches your solution. And ironically, right then and there, you're done. Finito. Okay, now what if that didn't work? Alright, well, what if, for example, this was the first one we were given? Well, negative 3x plus 1 I forgot the 1, equals 0. Okay, if you were to subtract the 1 on both sides, we have negative 3x equals negative 1 divided by negative 3. And we get x equals 1/3. And you'll notice that 1/3 is neither 8 or negative 3, which means that this equation would not work. Alright, you can do the same thing. This will give you a solution of 1/8. That wouldn't be a thing. This gives you 8 as a solution, but if we look for this one, if we have negative 6x minus 2 equals 0, add the 2 to the other side. Alright, divide by negative 6, and we get negative 2 over 6, which is negative 1/3. That doesn't match your second solution, right? Which means that that wouldn't work either. Same with that one. Okay, so you'll find out the first one is the only option. So that would be my recommendation. The easiest way to solve this would just be to look at the factors, because most of those are pretty quick in the inclination of what your solutions are for your x-intercepts. Alright, thanks for watching.